Hi, kindergarten. So today we are going to listen to one of my favorite stories. It is about a little girl who's very, very special, and she learns how to love herself for being just the way that she is. Just like the other day, we read this story about Wilbur and the naked mole rat and how he was different because he wanted to wear clothes and it was okay. So today I want you to remember the story about Wilbur and how he was different and how people were treating him. And I want you to try to make a connection with the story, with the character in today's story. The book is called Marisol McDonald Doesn't Match. And I want you to think about how Marisol and Wilbur kind of are the same, but they're still different, okay? Marisol McDonald Doesn't Match. Written by Monica Brown and illustrated by Sara Palacios. My name is Marisol McDonald and I don't match. At least, that's what everyone tells me. I play soccer with my cousin Tato and he says, Marisol, your skin is brown like mine, but your hair is the color of carrots. You don't match. Actually, my hair is the color of fire, I say, and kick the ball over Tato's head and into the goal. My brother says, Marisol, those pants don't match that shirt. They clash. But I love green polka dots and purple stripes. I think they go great together, don't you? I also love peanut butter and jelly burritos and speaking Spanish, English, and sometimes both. Can I have a puppy, a furry, sweet perrito? I ask my parents. Por favor. Quizás, Mommy says. Maybe, Dad says, smiling and winking. My teacher, Miss Apple, doesn't like the way I sign my name. Marisol McDonald, she says, this doesn't match. At school, we learn to print and use cursive, but not at the same time. But I like the way Marisol in cursive and McDonald in print looks. At recess, Ollie and Emma want to play pirates, and Noah wants to play soccer. How about soccer playing pirates, I suggest. No way, they say, so I run off to play on the swings by myself. After recess, we have art, my favorite subject. I think my drawings surprised my friends. At lunch, Ollie walks over to me and scrunches his nose. A peanut butter and jelly burrito, he asks. I know, I say. It doesn't match, but it sure tastes good. Marisol, you couldn't match if you wanted to, Ollie says. Oh yeah? I bet I can. The next day, I wake up and decide that today, I, Marisol McDonald, will match. It's a little hard to find clothes that are all the same color. I decide on orange. I play pirates with Ollie at recess, but it's not very fun. Why can't pirates play soccer anyway? I have a regular peanut butter and jelly sandwich at lunch, and the bread tastes mushy. Even art class is a little bit boring. Marisol, Miss Apple says, what's wrong? This doesn't look like your usual work. I'm trying to match, I say with a frown. Why? Asks Miss Apple. I can't think of a single good reason. At the end of the day, Miss Apple hands me a note and I open it and it says, Marisol, I want you to know that I like you just the way you are because the Marisol McDonald that I know is a creative, unique, bilingual, Peruvian, Scottish, American soccer playing artist and simply marvelous, Mrs. Tamiko Apple. I skip all the way home. When I wake up on Saturday, I put on my pink shirt, my polka dot skirt, and my favorite hat, the one my abuelita brought me from Peru. At breakfast, I say, my name is Marisol McDonald and I don't match because I don't want to. Bravo, says Mommy. Good for you, says Dad. Now let's go to the pound and get a puppy. When we get to the pound, there are big dogs and little dogs. There are dogs with long noses and dogs with smushed faces. There are chocolate-covered puppies and smoky gray puppies and puppies the color of caramel. How will I ever choose? Then I see him. He has one floppy ear and one pointy ear, one blue eye and one brown eye. He is beautiful. I walk over and he leaps into my lap. I cuddle him and it sounds like he purrs. I think we found just the right dog for you, Marisol, Mommy says. My puppy is perfect. He's mismatched and simply marvelous, just like me. I think I'll name him Kitty. The end. Okay, so your activity for today is you're going to create a puzzle where you're going to tell me what makes you special. So you're going to take a sheet of paper and you can have a parent help you. You're going to fold it in half one time and then you're going to fold it in half one more time. So you will have 4 rectangles, okay? So this is my puzzle and this is what makes me special. So one of the things that makes me special is that I love tamales. Tamales are a very important part of my life. I also wrote the number 12 because there's 12 people in my family, my mom, my dad, the 9 girls, 9 sisters that we have, and my 1 brother. So puse familia grande. I have a big family. One more thing that makes me special is I love bugs and I'm always wearing one of my bug necklaces. So today I'm wearing my ladybug. I love insects and I love bugs and I love being outdoors. Y otra cosa que me hace especial a mí is that I am bilingual and sometimes, just like Marisol, I speak English and sometimes hablo español and sometimes I speak both. And these are the things that make me special and unique. So you're going to make your own puzzle and you're going to tell me what makes you special and unique and some of the things that you absolutely love. And then upload your picture on Seesaw when you're ready. Adios.